If you're looking for a bunkhouse RV with a side patio, this 37 RV Miles Sabre might just be exactly what you're looking for. Let's show you in 3 minutes. What's up, y'all? This is Corey, and welcome back to another RVing with Corey 3-minute walkthrough tour. We're taking a look at the 37 RV Miles today, and let's get on to the inside. Pricing and specs will be down in the video description, as always, but we're going to skip back to the kitchen here in just a moment. What I want to start with is this Sabre sun deck, as they call it. Absolutely super cool, super popular. These side patios are all the rage right now. You do have a second awning over that too, and a second way to get into the rear bunk room or office thing, whatever you want to call it. Coming back here, we've got a loft for extra sleeping space. Couch folds out into a bed, and you have a projector style TV that will pull down here, storage, and a pull out workstation. There's that couch, there's that projector style TV. Sectional sofa that is right across from this massive jumbotron style TV. Solid surface countertops in all of our kitchen. You can hear that. You got the TikTok sink. I'll show you that here in just a moment. Table for 4. Pantry area. You also, again, have this flip-up countertop area that you kind of saw in this as we walked by. TikTok sink, tons of countertop and storage space, convection oven, microwave, plus you have the massive oven and the big 12-volt compressor fridge. Now, they're also doing some cool stuff that I've never seen before, like some dedicated K-cup storage. So if you're a coffee drinker, that's a cool feature to have. Moving upstairs, we have our massive shower, porcelain foot flush throne. You do have some good storage, nice big sink and medicine cabinet. And then we have our king size bed with another projector TV, built-in closet space with washer dryer prep. Let's go take a quick look at the outside now. All right, so we have the reflective windows, 4-point auto level, dual awnings, painted fiberglass front cap, tankless on-demand water heater, plus our fully integrated docking center right there. You can see those auto level jacks peeking through right there. Coming back onto the back, we are going to have no bumper for our stinky slinky. And then we have our nice big Sabre sun deck, complete with that second awning. So, alrighty guys, that is going to wrap it up for the Sabre 37 RV Miles. Pricing and specs will be in the video description. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.